In this video you will learn more about the Process Insights dashboard. Open the business process diagram of your choice and click on Insights in the top right corner to access the dashboard. The Process Hierarchy widget shows the parent processes as well as the child processes of the business process diagram in the process hierarchy of the organization. Adonis offers you a high-level CIPOC overview, so you can determine the most relevant information about the process. Next, the RACI Insights showcase all roles with a RACI responsibility and level of involvement in the process. The document-related insights automatically display all documents that are used as an input or an output to the activities in the process, or simply as reference documentation. The IT and Resources Insights provide you with a quick and easy overview of all applications and IT system elements used, as well as responsible stakeholders involved. The Process Assessment Insights graphically show the scoring of your processes based on the process potential and maturity analysis criteria. In addition, the dashboard also helps you to display all risks and controls impacting the process, as well as their key insights even beyond what's available in the process, such as the likelihood, impact, detection, value at risk and more. The Compliance Insights provide an overview of the maturity level of the control objectives assigned to this object. The attributes as is maturity level and to be maturity level of the relation assigned control objectives are evaluated for this purpose. Additionally, the responsible person is also displayed. Performance Insights enable you to easily gather and display all your process KPIs. With Initiative Insights, you can get an overview of all initiatives affecting your process, as well as some key insights, such as the initiative state, their progress, responsible persons, etc. Finally, the Quick Access widget offers you quick links to RACI Matrix, QM Report, Model Report, references, validation, and simulation. Have a look at the Adonis Online Help for more information.